Joining me now is Domenic Roberto from the Michigan Science Center to talk all about lights. First of all, let's talk about why we're talking about these lights.
Absolutely. So today and tomorrow we have the Concert of Colors happening around Detroit. We're participating. So we actually are going to have free admission to the museum, 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock today and tomorrow.
So it's a concert with music, but we're also a diverse music event, and we're introducing color here. And we were talking about gases with electricity and how that makes color with light.
Exactly.
Now that's kind of confusing. So how do we make it simple?
Yeah, so we're going to be doing activities on the floor all about color. This is one of them. So inside of this glass tube here is just pure neon gas.
Okay.
So go ahead, hit that switch right here.
All right, right there?
Yep. So you can see it glowing up right now. So
looks like it would be hot.
Oh yeah, it definitely gets hot.
All
I'll
right,
take it off for a
then.
sec here. But what happens is we run electricity through it, we make all the electrons in it get really excited, and then they emit different colors of light as we sort of let them go off. So every element has its own signature color, and so that's what neon looks like. And if you want, we can even try another one.
Let's do it. So what did it take to make that color again?
So that was just pure neon. So we ran electricity through it. We made its electrons super excited, and as a result, they jump back down to where they were after being excited, emitting different colors of light.
So what is this going to be? How are we changing the color with this one?
So this one is going to be a different color just because every element has its own little signature that it uses to define itself.
And you said the last one was neon, so what is this?
Yeah, so this one we're going to try out if we can get helium in here.
Let's get
it's
that
a little
helium
bit
in
tricky,
there.
but as we're getting this in, I'm going to go over some of our Concert of Colors activities that we're doing.
Yeah,
so
let's do that.
We have several different new science stage show all about colors and explosions going on, which is really exciting. And then we also have a dance routine happening. African and Latin dance will be going on, which is going to be really, really exciting. So actually, this one here is Argon. So give this one a
worked.
switch.
I'm so glad you got it in. Good job, by the way.
It's a little early in the morning for me, Troy. You know how it goes. But go ahead and hit that switch.
All right,
for
here
me.
we go.
So now we got a totally different color. We've got purple coming out.
Yeah.
And actually, we even have this thing called the diffraction gradient. So if we hold it up there, it'll break up the color into the 5 or 6 different wavelengths that all mix together to make it purple. So we can talk about chemistry and science with the kids all throughout this activity and all the different color ones we have going on at the museum between today and tomorrow.
And you have all the different colors here. So we just showed the, orange was first.
So orange was first with neon. This is Argon, which is kind of actually, if you inhale Argon, it makes your voice go super low compared to helium making it go really high.
Oh, okay, that's interesting.
Yeah.
Do you ever do experiments like that with the kids?
With helium, I'd love to give them all that, but helium can be expensive. So I use it for my balloons mostly. But we definitely, we do this kind of experiment on the floor. And so we have this fun this week happening, and then if folks can't make it out to the museum to see either of our activities or our summer color laser show that we're doing, we do have another really cool event next week that people can go to.
Okay, and that's at night. It's an adult event, but does that mean kids don't go, or it's just mainly geared to adults?
So kids should definitely come today and tomorrow, but next week on the 27th, that's the Saturday night, from 6 to 11, we have our Mys Side Games. So we're going to have kind of an Olympics-themed After Dark for adults only, 21 and up. We'll have handcrafted cocktails, we'll have an inflatable obstacle course, all sorts of sort of trivia, as well as physical games to compete in for the adults.
That sounds like a
lot of fun. We have
a
lot of fun this week and next.
When is that again?
That is the Saturday the 27th from 6 to 11. You can get tickets online now, and you can register for time slots for the Concert of Colors for today and tomorrow, anytime right now.
So the Concert of Colors will have all kinds of music. Do we know who's going to be there and what kind of music?
So we're going to have the like an African dance performance and a Latin dance performance. People can actually participate in that today and tomorrow. And then our laser show will also have different kinds of music for the summer as well. But otherwise, we're focusing on the real color aspect for most of our activities.
I love it. And I want to see the laser show. Thank you so much, Domenic from the Michigan Science Center, for teaching us all about the lights, and you got it to work.